Femoral.
First, we're going to perform it with the patient in short sitting position. So, instruct the patient to do short sitting. Then, the therapist must be in front of the patient, sitting in front of the patient. Then, tibio femoral, provide a towel to slightly elevate the shoulder. The shoulder. The tigal and the knee. Then the therapist will use her thighs to clip the patient's ankle. Then, like this. Ay, nasubi yun. Then use the therapist will use his or her body to pull the knee downward with the thigh clipping the ankle. So, kamo na siya. I-clip nyo din. Dayon, i-pull nyo ang iyang tibia downward using your thigh.
Wow!
Why kami ginasta dito? Pwede mo natin isabi na. Kamo na, sir.
So, traction in sitting position.
Dayon, you can also perform anterior and posterior glide in this position.
Okay.
So, to perform posterior glide, you'll do traction first. Then, put your hands below the patient's knee. Then, push the tibia backward to provide posterior glide or to increase flexion. So, this ang siya nga i-pull niya i-push downward, backward dili.
So, class kita yung glide, nag-pull ang tibia. Padalo. That's right. That's right. Pwede mo maamunin mo kamoto, kundi mo yung tibia mo, hindi ka magamuna ang panahon. Para hindi siya... Okay.
Sa kung anterior glide naman, you'll do niyang ma-provide ka force opposite sa iyong mga pagina. So, i-pull mo ang tibia towards you.
Okay, very good.